Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Akshay Kesarkar and today is our second session. We are looking today these four topics: some basic coding, some operators, some slicing operation. Again we are going to repeat some data types operation with the coding. Let's start. In last video we have seen data types, different data types like what string, then again we looked after integer, float, and different data types we have already seen in a last video. Today's video we are going to do some basic operations with these data types. If I choose one variable is equal to, and I have given a string as its value, we are able to see how var 0. See, we are able to slice the string into a letters. Where these are nothing but indexes. Indexes start with 0 and goes to the x positive direction, like 0, 1, 2, 3, like that way it will move ahead. In this we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 letters, so we can access it for a 5 times. Also we are able to access in negative direction. If I put here a -5, we are able to access from this side. See, if I put here a -1, we got G. So it will begins with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, like this way. We are also able to reverse the string with the help of this one. See, we already reversed our original string to this one. Also, this is called as a slicing operation or a parsing operation. From this we are able to extract the data from the variable. Sorry, from the value. Variable is this one. Fine. So what is this dot dot, and what is this -1, what is this 0? So this, as I told you, value of this 0, 1, 2 is the index values of this variable. Stores the data, and data have index values From that we are extracting one by one. Okay, and it is follow a coordinate system from 0 to x direction in positive and negative direction. See, if I put here 0 colon 2, that means it will start with the index 0 and finish with the index 2. If I put over here 5 and again I have put here 1, see what it means? It means it will start with 0, finish with 5 and jump. This is called a jump. If I put here 2, see, for that purpose we are understanding purpose, we are calling here again a var, so we'll get better understanding of this. See, it will start with the 0, jump this letter to R and again jump this letter to N. We don't have a next letter. We already finished the string. Fine. If I put over here 4, let's see what will happen. It will only access S and R. Even though it is having N, it will not access, because this is a outer bound or outer boundary of this, so it will skip this one. See, if my variable is equal to, see, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, fine, then I have called this variable this time. Fine, I will execute this so you will understand a better way. See, it is just A, C, E. It is not calling this one. How many indexes are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even though this is a 6th value, it is not calling over here. See, it is because this is outer bound, that's why it is not considering this G. Understood? Next one, we are going to hold the integer value and let's try this one. See, integer object is not subscriptable, means you cannot slice 1 to 3 from an index value. If you want to slice it, you need to convert it into a string. This one I have converted into a string, then I am able to access it. This is called as a typecasting. If integer value is a hold into a variable and we need to slice it into 1, 2, 3 differently. So we convert it into a string. This is called as typecasting, which is used to change the type of the data. If we have a list, one comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, see, this is our list. Now I will print it. If I want to access it, then or slice it, then what we have to do? L of 0, L of 2. In this way we are able to slice it, and we can access the data from this list. If I have assigned here L of 2 is equal to 5, and again I called L, see, L of 2 is become a 5 from 0, 1, 2. For L list of second index, we have changed the value is equal to 5. This is because the list is mutable and we are able to change the data from it. Let's try. L1 is equal to, this is the list, 2 tuples, there is a box, and here is this one, so it is called as a tuple. If we see the type, this one is tuple, this one is a list, L1 of 2 is equal to 5. Let's check it. See, tuple object does not support item assignment. Here it is possible, here it is not possible, because tuple is immutable. We are not able to change the data. But see, tuple object has an L is equal to empty list. See, I have appended 2, but if I tried to append to L1, it will give me the error tuple object has a no attribute append. Here we have appended this 2. So what is this append? Append is one of the function. It will append means insert the value to the last index of the list. So because tuple is immutable, that's why we are not able to change the data from the tuple, but we are able to access the data as we are able to access from a list. It is also possible to access the data from tuple, and if we also like this, we access it and it is a type is an integer. There are also many inbuilt function. If I press a tab, we have append, clear, copy. As it is an English language, we are understand. If I use this one, see, l.pop, pop, what will pop? See, the last index value is deleted from l.pop. l.tab is the key to see these functions, inbuilt functions. See, l.reverse, we are able to reverse the list 895. It is an inbuilt function. Reverse is an inbuilt function in a Python list. So today we have seen the list and tuple. What is the difference between a list and tuple? List is a mutable and tuple is a immutable. Mutable means we are able to change the data from the list. Immutable means we are not able to change the data, but from both the cases we are able to access the data from the list and tuple.